This is the part 2 of the video. So unit number 3. A body is moving in a straight line and its displacement at various instants of time is given in the following table. So, and you need to use this table to plot a displacement time graph, and then from the graph calculate the total distance traveled in intervals from 1 to 5 seconds, and then average velocity in time interval 1 to 5 seconds. So using this particular table, I have drawn a graph. So time should be on the x-axis and the displacement should be on the y-axis. So the values given for the time are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One extra like previous case. And then displacement 2, 6, 12, 12. See, if you can't put 2, 6, 12, 12 on the y-axis, so it has to go gradually. So my first reading is 2 and my last reading is 24, and I need to start from the origin. So I need to divide the numbers equally in between 2 and 24, rather 0 and 24. So I divided this numbers equally from 0 to 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. I've used the even numbers because there is no odd number here on the list. Suppose there was 15 or there might be 11, etc. Then I could have I need to divide like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which keeps on going. So here I have a privilege of using only those even numbers, so that the numbers fits on this axis, otherwise the line would have been gone out of the paper. So you can draw this graph in your graph paper or the blank side of a exercise book or on the rule side. So then using these values, now I'm supposed to plot the graph. So for 0 displacement is 2, for 0 displacement is 2, for 1 displacement is 6, for 1 displacement is 6 here. For 2 displacement is 12, for 2 seconds the displacement is 12 here. For 3 the displacement is 12, for 3 the displacement is 12, for 4 the displacement is 12, for 5 the displacement is 18 here. For 6 the displacement is 22, for 6 the displacement is 22, for 7 the displacement is 24, for 7 the displacement is 24. So if I join those dots, so I'll get a slanting line here, a straight line parallel to the x-axis, and then again a straight line which moves away from the x-axis. So this is my graph here which I have drawn, and this portion of the question is done. Now from the graph I'm supposed to calculate the total distance traveled in intervals 1 second to 5 seconds. So from 1 second to 5 seconds I'm supposed to find the total distance traveled. So I have done the calculation here. So total distance traveled from 1 second to 5 seconds. So from 1 to 5. So if you check the graph, from 1 it is 6, and for 5 it is 18. So total distance is total distance will be in between them, that is 18 meter minus 6 meter, which is 12 meter, which matches with our answer. And then number 2, average velocity in time interval 1 to 5 seconds. So again, velocity is displacement by time. Displacement we just now calculated, which is 12 meter, and the time duration between 1 to 5 seconds will be 4 seconds, and then we get a 4 second here. After cancellation we're getting 3 meter per second, which matches with our answer. This is number